What's going on, everyone? Today is July the 19th, 2023. We're here to talk about Bitcoin today because I've noticed something on the chart that would tell us that the Bitcoin bulls, that they're dropping the ball. Yeah, they need to come through relatively soon in order to instill price breaking above $32,000. So welcome everyone to HueFin. This is also known as HueFin News. We conduct these price predictions on the chart so that you guys don't be confused, and we give you all a heads up as to where we suspect price is about to go. You guys can see right now on my chart that we have produced a price prediction all the way back here on July the 2nd. And the idea at that moment was for price in Bitcoin to go higher. Now we identified $32,000 as an area of resistance. You guys can all see that that still is the case. $32,000 is where the sellers of Bitcoin are. They're not allowing the buyers to break that level. And if they can't, then the market will continue to drift lower in Bitcoin. Now, there's a couple of things as to why I'm telling you that Bitcoin bulls, that they're dropping the ball, and it's on these days right here. The first day is on July the 6th, and then the second day is right here on July the 14th. Both of these days, you guys can see, are indicators of weakness. The market is telling you that the sellers are present at these price levels. Now, one good positive caveat that I will tell you is that yes, these are two indicators of weakness, but the market hasn't reacted yet to that weakness. Price is still, for the most part, traded within range. Okay, so hopefully we can break this time frame a little bit further out in time to where we can actually see whether or not the buyers are still here or if the sellers are present. Because another thing that I wanted to show you is that when you look at these daily price bars in Bitcoin, there hasn't been any price volatility. Especially look at the Saturday, July the 15th. The market did not even move here on this Bitstamp exchange. Maybe something happened on this particular exchange to where the market volatility and the volumes just didn't show up. But that is quite different when you see a very small spread. And then even the other following trading days from July the 16th, 17th, and the 18th, you guys can tell that it just doesn't seem like the market is involved with trying to move this market above $32,000. Here is Bitcoin on the 2-day time frame. And you guys can see this has been a moment following this 2-day price bar here that Bitcoin should have broken above $32,000. This was the moment right there. And they didn't do it. The next 2 days, price came right back down. Another clue telling you that Bitcoin bulls are dropping the ball. Here it is on a 3-day chart. This is the next reason as to why we can tell that the bulls are not holding their end of this game, of the stick. These 3-day price bars right here are all indicative of the market definitely getting walled up with a whole lot of selling in Bitcoin. And the longer that we continue to see this, the greater the chance price will continue to go lower. On top of Bitcoin's inability to break above $32,000. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, 2 weeks, 3, 5, and the monthly. Okay, so the market, to me, it seems like it's waiting for like some type of catalyst to break this price above $32,000, because there's still some indicators of market strength in Bitcoin, preferably right here on the 5-weekly chart as well as here on the monthly. There's still some strength that I can tell on that time frame. The market just seems to be looking for something to break it. Let's look at Bitcoin on the hourly chart. Let's look at this on the 15 hours. Okay. So my question is, we have this price prediction on the chart right now, and we're going to continue to expect price in Bitcoin to be bullish so long as price holds $28,000. The market buyers has done a fantastic job of holding price up thus far, but every day that goes on, I have to continue to remind you that us seeing price in Bitcoin break above $32,000 is becoming less and less likely. We need to see that movement occur as soon as possible, because if it doesn't, then this price prediction that is on my chart, I already know it is not going to be correct. And the way that the price action has been since I created this price prediction, I am not liking what's been going on. I'm just going to keep it real. I'm just going to keep it a buck. I don't like the price action in the market for Bitcoin, since I'm the one that's on the team of the bulls, of the buyers. And they're not showing me that they're really convinced that they want to hold this market and go up higher. I'm not seeing it yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to change this price prediction yet. I just wanted to come in and show you how you can tell whether or not the market is doing a fantastic job of doing what you expect it to do. If you're on the right side of the market, those type of things. Because right now I can tell that I'm pretty much, as of right now, on the wrong side. But seeing how price is still slightly below $32,000, I'm not going to cut this price prediction out yet. I just want you all to know that I'm leaning more towards, okay, cool. It may come to the point to where I'll have to cut this price prediction and play the move in Bitcoin to the downside. Okay. So I'm not going to change it yet, but I just want to give y'all a heads up as to what I'm seeing on the charts. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.